I haven't seen it. I have seen portions of it. Dubbing करते वक्त मैंने 2-4 मैंने आधा घंटा ऐसे ही चुपके से देख लिया चोरी करके, लेकिन I haven't seen the whole film per se as a whole put together, but so far so good. Cross my fingers. बिल्कुल, मैं उनको डेफिनेटली दिखाने वाली हूँ पिक्चर. वो पता नहीं मेरा बेटा बैठेगा ही नहीं, पता नहीं पूरी पिक्चर के लिए. गाने वाने में वो पक जाएगा मुझे पता है, लेकिन कोशिश तो यही है कि दोनों को पिक्चरें दिखाऊं ज़रूर. Well, I honestly think first of all the script is what attracts me to films, and secondly what I can do with it. I think that's what makes it interesting for me. Otherwise it's not interesting. I mean, अगर ऐसा ही कोई रोल है जो मैंने मतलब पिछली 10 बार किया हो या 15 बार किया हो या 20 बार किया हो, that I can do with my eyes closed, with my hands tied behind my back, it doesn't make any sense for me to do a film then anymore. I think if I do a film, I want to do a film because I want to make something different out of it. जैसे अगर हर बार रोज दाल चावल बनाओगे तो कभी ना कभी लगता होगा कि आज चिकन बना देती हूँ या आज मटन बना देती हूँ, तो ऐसा ही कुछ मेरा हाल है. As a human being, I would say he's really evolved. He's grown as a person. I think his attitude towards life is wonderful to see right now. I think he's got this lovely, nice. He's in a nice place, personally speaking. And as an actor, of course, I think he's amazing as an actor. I've always said that whenever I work with him, it's a learning experience for me whenever I work with him. So I've learned so much from him, and I think that every time, जैसे इस फिल्म में भी मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर सीख के आई हूँ. शायद मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि वो क्या है exactly, but I know कि अगली पिक्चर करूँगी तो कहीं ना कहीं उसकी कोई सीख मेरे दिमाग में ज़रूर रहेगी. Yes, she is very very excited. She's dying to see the film. और मुझे already बोला गया है कि ट्रायल रखना पड़ेगा उसके दोस्तों के लिए. Honestly, my stand on it is the same stand that I have as far as the #1 position is concerned. That I don't believe in the rat race. I believe that there is more than enough for everybody to go around. And God willing, touch wood, if they are both good films, they will both do well. Well, he has definitely influenced me, no two ways about it, because I could not have done this film without his help. Because he was the one actually who turned around and told me that you don't worry about the kids. I'm going to stay at home. मैं संभाल लूँगा. तो तू जा, तुझे काम करना है. तुझे ये पिक्चर करनी है या नहीं करनी है? So I said no, I want to do the film. I like the film, but I'm going to be away from the kids. So he turned around and he said, you don't worry about it. You want to do the film? You will do the film. I will make it happen. I will make it possible. So I think that's true love. I definitely want to work more, maybe not at the pace that anybody else does. I definitely want to do one film in 2 years, one film, around about that time. That time I think is perfect. I don't want to do more than that. I definitely don't plan to do more than that, no. The pay gap is very prevalent. I won't say that it's not. It's definitely there. I also think it has to do with the economics of the situation. But I also think it has to do with what society has somewhere down the line taught us. There is an inequality in genders as far as our society is concerned, and that is huge. So we will have to bridge that gap before we come up to the pay standards. अपने आप में बहुत ग्रोथ महसूस कर रही हूँ. मतलब मैं इतनी बड़ी हो गई हूँ, मुझे लगता है ये बिल्डिंग से ज़्यादा बड़ी हो गई हूँ. अपने आप में I think I have grown. Of course I have grown. If I had not grown, I would not be sitting here in front of you so comfortably, so calmly. I think I've grown as an actor. I have had to change as an actor. What was okay for me to do 20 years back is not okay for me to do today, and I realize that, and I definitely want to figure that out. Again, it's always going to be a fight between what is expected and what I expect out of myself. So there is always going to be that fight on in my head and around me, and hopefully that will always challenge me to grow more and more every day.